Crimen Investigation Assessment. B. De Xilustari Gómez Fuentes. What was the crime? The robber stole over 100,000 in cash from the National Bank. The crime is some length two men walked into the bank and told them to crouch on the ground. Everyone was very nervous. The two robbers told them to be quiet. The one of the robbers told the manager to put all the money in a bag, and then the robber took the money and ran. Miss Barry Yellow and the husband. The police found and that Miss White and Miss Scott were in a room. In me and my opinion, I consider that Mr. Burr was killed because and had been walked around the back for 5 days. Probably she could examine the area to commit the crime. Thank you.